Criteria for the best affiliate marketing programs. Variety is a good thing, but when there are so many choices for a single purpose, it can be very confusing. Such is often the case when prospective affiliates try to make their decisions regarding the best affiliate marketing program to use. Since the choice of an affiliate marketing program is critical to your success, find out which among the hundreds now available is the best program to use. Here are some criteria to look for. The affiliate marketing program is top quality. Always go for the affiliate marketing program that is backed up by a reliable and trustworthy team with the appropriate and sufficient knowledge about the industry. Check the affiliate product and services as well. Are they for real, offer good value, and are saleable? Remember that you will be putting your own credibility on the line when you sign up for that program. If it's trustworthy, then you will be viewed as such as well. The affiliate product is hot or getting there. Stay current on market demands and about the hottest and to watch out for products. A simple search online will help you find out the kind of things that people are looking for and are willing to buy. There's a good chance an affiliate marketing program is selling that product. When a product has a high market demand, it's much easier to sell. This is good news for you as an affiliate of that program, since there won't be any backbreaking work to do just to get the product off the ground. It will sell on its own or for minimal effort. The affiliate marketing program pays high commissions. Ultimately, the affiliate's goal in signing up for an affiliate marketing program is to earn money. In affiliate marketing, earnings come in the form of commissions, usually a percentage off the sale of a product. Why settle for a low-paying program and there are others from which you can benefit more from given the same amount of efforts on your part? When considering what affiliate marketing program to use, choose those that offer higher commission rates. Good rates range from about 50% to 75%. If the program pays lower than that, you might want to reconsider. It may not be worth your effort at all. The affiliate marketing program has a higher than usual conversion rate. Conversion rate refers to the period it takes for a prospect who clicks on an affiliate site to become a paying customer. In affiliate marketing, this can be notoriously fickle, with leads taking as much as 60 days before ever purchasing anything. A good indication at a particular affiliate marketing program is the best one to use is its high conversion rate. This means that more visitors to an affiliate site become buyers. When there are more buyers, an affiliate's earnings increase. To find out about their conversion rate, you can check an affiliate marketing program's website. Some of them publish this information. If not, you will have to test the product yourself using targeted visitors to see how well it performs. The affiliate marketing program offers full support. This is an especially important criteria to look for when deciding what affiliate marketing program to use if you're a beginner. There are many programs that will offer their system and leave you to your own devices without checking in on your progress. If you're not a self-starter or are wary of affiliate marketing programs that don't assist their affiliates, avoid these types. Use affiliate marketing programs that provide sufficient information, training, and affiliate support. You will appreciate this extra feature in case you run into a bit of trouble later.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.